The Shingle Sider from Tool International combines simplicity with versatility to make wood shingle and shake installation faster and more accurate. It's perfect for both siding and roofing applications. With its simple and sturdy adjustable clamp design, the Shingle Sider works as a pair to gauge and support your ledger board without chalk lines or nails for one-person installation. It also eliminates unnecessary penetration of the vapor barrier. Once you've applied your first course as you normally would, the Shingle Sider is ready to speed your installation. First, adjust the ledger support to your desired reveal. Then, engage the ledger lock to the open position. Now, adjust the length of the toe to the longest position possible for your reveal. Just below the nail line usually works best to ensure solid support. At an appropriate distance apart for your ledger board width, slide each Shingle Sider toe behind the first course until the built-in stop touches the bottom of the shingle or shake. Next, drop in your ledger board so it rests on both supports. Now, release each ledger lock so the ledger board is held snug. Before placing shingles, it's a good idea to double-check each Shingle Sider to assure vertical alignment and proper contact with the bottom of your course. Now you're ready to place shingles on your ledger board and nail. Once nailing is complete, repeat this process as you work your way up the wall or roofline. It's that easy. Ready to pack it up for the day? The Shingle Sider also makes a great clamping device for securing tarps to keep your work area dry. Let the Shingle Sider become your #1 tool for fast and accurate installation of wood shingle or shake, siding, and roofing. To find out more about our complete line of smart tools for smarter builders, or to find a dealer, give us a call at 800-297-7487 or visit us at packtool.us.